Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb come into and show you a number of its different meanings. One of the meanings for come into is to unexpectedly be in a fortuitous situation, most often in relation to money. The man's uncle was very wealthy, and when he passed away, he named his nephew as a benefactor in his will. I've recently come into a lot of money, so I was thinking of starting a business. Every week, the woman played bingo as a hobby. When she eventually won, she was so excited when she told her daughter, "I'm going to buy you a new car." "Thanks, ma'am, but you don't have the money to do that. I came into a bit of money recently through the bingo, so I want to buy you a car." The country's vice president found himself getting promoted after the president unexpectedly fell ill and passed away. The new president came into power this morning, taking over the reins from our previous leader. Another meaning for come into is to become effective or reach your true potential. The guy had a difficult start to life at the new team, but things changed in his second year with them. "We thought we made a mistake signing him, but he really came into his own and showed how good he is." The boy couldn't keep his grades up until his parents hired a tutor for him at home. He came into his own after a few weeks with the tutor. He's not worried about his future exams now. They decided to host the tournament throughout the winter months instead. Some countries flourished. Russia have really come into their own in this tournament. They have adapted to the climate very well. Another meaning for come into is to be an aspect of a situation. The politicians argued for the day about taxes, ignoring other more pressing matters at hand. We've been going back and forth all day like this, and the homeless situation never came into it. The woman assumed her friend couldn't go out to the party because she was low on money. No, that's not the reason at all. I can't go because I already have plans. Money doesn't even come into it. The man discussed his marital problems with his friend. "Did you guys argue over the children?" "No, the kids didn't come into it. We argued over money." So, to sum up, come into can mean to unexpectedly be in a fortuitous situation, most often in relation to money. I booked a holiday because I came into money recently. Come into can also mean to become effective or reach your true potential. The team came into their own after a few games and won the league. Come into can also mean to be an aspect of a situation. I just want to be happy in my future. Money doesn't come into it at all. Where did you hear the phrasal verb come into? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.